the post-corona era, worries regarding labor productivity will be ever increasing, along with the telecommuting rate. Now, TCMS is here to alleviate your worries on labor productivity caused by telecommuting. TCMS can help you maintain the labor productivity by providing a similar workplace environment no matter where you work. Corporations can enhance the productivity of their knowledge workers, and the workers can now concentrate on their duties. Shijite is a global corporation with branches abroad. Even in the midst of disastrous circumstances, managers can stably oversee the work environment and workers' efficiency. TCMS comes with 3 different editions. They're regular, premium, and enterprise. Here are some advantages that you'll get with TCMS. TCMS analyzes intellectual workers' work patterns by categories. It then predicts the workflow of the intellectual workers based on the analyzed data. After that, it further provides statistics for constructing the best work environment. The corporation's security can be protected. Above all, the task management can get highly efficient for a reasonable price. You can feel relieved now because TCMS securely handles user data. Get ready for the new business landscape in the post-corona era with TCMS.